Feeling stuck and wondering where your confidence went? I get it. There was a time when I felt the same way, like I'd never move forward. But here's the thing, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start building confidence, even if you feel completely stuck right now. Let's be honest, it's really hard to feel confident when you're stuck in a cycle of second guessing yourself. You start thinking, what's wrong with me? Why can't I just get it together? And every time you try, those doubts creep back in, louder than ever. Look, I've been there. I used to think confidence was this magical thing that other people had, until I realized it's not about being fearless. It's about learning how to trust yourself step by step. In this video, I'll share the exact process that I used to rebuild my confidence, and I promise you can do it too. Why confidence feels out of reach. First, let's talk about why confidence feels so far away when you're stuck. It's not because you're incapable. It's because your brain is focused on your past failures instead of your future potential. But here's the thing, confidence doesn't come from waiting until you're ready. It comes from proving to yourself that you're capable, one small action at a time. The confidence formula. Here's the formula that I discovered for building confidence, and it's surprisingly simple. It's all about three things: small wins, self-talk, and stretching your comfort zone. So let's break it down. Step 1, focus on small wins. Big goals are great, but small wins are what build confidence. When I started my YouTube journey, I wasn't aiming for 10,000 subscribers. My first win was filming one video, even if it wasn't perfect. And guess what? Hitting that small goal gave me the boost I needed to keep going. Set a micro goal that you can achieve today. Something small enough that it feels impossible to fail, like brainstorming a video idea or practicing in front of a camera for 5 minutes. Step 2, reprogram your self-talk. The way that you talk to yourself matters more than you think. Confidence killers often sound like this: I'm not good enough, or I always mess up. But what if you flipped the script? Instead of I can't do this, I'm figuring this out. It's a small shift, but it makes a huge difference. Before every video, I used to say, what if I mess this up? And now I tell myself mistakes are proof that I'm learning. And that one change gave me permission to try. Write down one negative thought that you've had recently, then rewrite it as a positive or neutral statement and practice saying it out loud. Step 3, stretch your comfort zone. Confidence grows when you do things that scare you, just a little. The first time I spoke on camera, I was terrified. My voice cracked, my palms were sweaty, and it was a mess, but I did it anyway. And the second time, it was a little easier. And every time after that, it's been even easier still. And that's how confidence works. Think of your comfort zone like a rubber band. You stretch it gently and it grows. Stretch it too hard and it'll snap. The key is taking small risks that feel uncomfortable but manageable. Pick one thing that you've been avoiding, something small but slightly uncomfortable, and commit to doing it today, whether it's recording a short video or asking for feedback. It's about starting. What happens when you build confidence? Here's what's amazing about building confidence. It doesn't just help you take action, it changes how you see yourself. When I started taking those small steps, I stopped seeing myself as someone who was stuck. I started seeing myself as someone who could figure things out. And that shift, it's life-changing. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. And trust me, you're more capable than you think. Now it's your turn. What's one small step that you can take today to start building confidence? Remember, it doesn't have to be big, it just has to be something. To help you, I've created a free worksheet with simple exercises to boost your confidence step by step. You can grab it right now, the link's in the description. Confidence isn't about having all the answers. It's about showing up and trying. And if you're here, you're already on the right path. I believe in you. If this video helped you, you'll love my next one. Why progress feels slow and how to stay motivated anyway. It's packed with tips to help you keep moving forward even when it feels like you're stuck. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you there.